In this video, we are going to see how we can create beautiful area charts in Tableau, and not only we will see the simple type like this, we will also see how we can customize this to make it visually appealing. So first of all, let's insert a new sheet, or in fact, let me just clear all the data from this particular sheet. Let's build it from the scratch. Area chart, I just named the sheet like this. We are going to put the dates in the columns, and let's make it months. And let's put the sales amount in the rows like we have did in earlier videos as well. And let's fit it to entire view. So we have this entire view, but this is what the line chart looks like. If you want to convert it into area charts, it's very simple. From the marks, just set it to area, and we have the basic area chart. The purpose of this is to make the points more visible so that you can easily read the performance, and it looks visually appealing as well. Let's click on colors and let's set any more colors. Let's select any customized color, let's say orange, and you can customize it however you want. Let's say this one, and you can do it that way. But what to do if you want to show and combine a line chart with an area chart so that the line will be very visible and we will make this less visible and it looks awesome. So for that, we will just make a copy of this sales parameter. Just hold Control key and just duplicate that, drag it towards right by holding the Control key, and we can see that we have divided this into two. For the second one, what we'll do is we will simply convert it to line. But as you can see, not for all, we want to convert the second one. So let's select the second one from here and now convert this area chart to a line chart. Now we have line chart and we have the area chart. The next step, you already know that we have to merge both of these. So just click on the second parameter and set it to dual access, and both of these will combine. After that, the first chart, we will just make it less visible. That means we have to reduce the opacity of it. So now it looks something like this, and we can try any color we want. Let's just try different colors. Whatever is more suitable, we will choose that. Okay, I think this one is more beautiful. Let's reduce the opacity even further, and it looks like this. Also, for the line chart, you have many customization options. Let's say that for the lines, you want to show the path as dotted path, and you can make it thicker as well if you like. So this is how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.